Hello everybody, I want to show you this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus. Okay, let's start with the one-handed mode. So if you start here in the corner with your finger and swipe it like this, you will see the screen will become smaller, and now it is more easy to use it with the thumb and so on. So this is for left-handed person, and if you want to have it on the other side, go on the arrow here. Then you have it also for right-handed persons. Now you can reach everything with the thumb and so on. And if you want to off it, just tap here on the side. How you can activate it? So you just go here on the settings, go on advanced settings, and the one-handed mode has to be turned on here. So there are two ways at the one-handed mode. One with a gesture, as I did, with swiping the finger, or otherwise you could use also the home button. If we do it now with the home button, you have to tap it then 3 times and you have the same thing, but you have to activate it first. Okay, tap here to go off, and yeah, that's the one-handed mode. Okay, then is there another nice feature? You can twin your apps. So in case you want to have 2 Facebook accounts, 2 WhatsApp accounts, or maybe 2 Telegram accounts or something like this, just go for that to the settings. Then we need the advanced features. Then scroll down to the point Dual Messenger. And here we see all the supported apps on your phone. In my case it is WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram. So if you want to double WhatsApp, it will ask you if you're sure to install a second one. Go on install, go on confirm, and he will give you a second WhatsApp. But for WhatsApp, please note you need a second mobile number. If you have another phone or dual SIM phone, it would be perfect. Okay, now it's enabled now. So let me show you. We have here now 2 WhatsApp accounts, the basic one and the second one. If you want to remove the second one, Facebook, WhatsApp or Telegram account, so just go on WhatsApp as you normally delete details, hold a bit and go then and uninstall to remove it. Or otherwise, if it's too complicated here at this point, you can go also to the settings again, then to advanced settings, to the dual messenger, and then you can off it here as well, and then you will uninstall it, but you will lose, of course, the data if you haven't saved it with a backup. So I will show you also in another video how you can back up that account. So and then there are also nice information for the battery. So for that we go on the settings, and then we need the device maintenance, and here we would have checked our device, and on this point at the battery you have here the battery usage. And at the battery usage you could see what takes the most energy on your phone. So in my case it is the screen. It's normal because the screen is needs the most energy, and also which apps takes a lot of energy, and so on and so on. If you have a problem with your battery, it's always good to check it here first, because you will see a lot of information, and sometimes it is enough to remove a very intensive app or something like this to have a better battery. Okay, let me show you the next thing here. You go just one step back, and here at the battery you have also the opportunity to activate a power saving mode. So this means if you have just a few percent of the battery, but you need it urgently your phone and you have no chance to charge it at the moment, then it's a good feature to have that mode. So go on apply. So the speed becomes slower, the screen turns into black. As you'll have learned, the screen takes a lot of energy, that's normal, and if it's turned into black, it doesn't take too much energy. And we see the phone is working, it reduce all the high intensity energy stuff. And you have now here that screen. You have the most important stuff at first, so the phone, the messenger, the settings and so on. And you can as well add also here on the plus some other apps like maybe WhatsApp. Google, Twitter, and so on and so on. And if you want to remove that power saving mode, you could just go here on the 3 points and then go here on turn off maximum power saving mode. So maybe this feature could save your life one day if you're just a few percent. So remember well for it. I show you now also an opportunity to have it very fast, so don't go too deep in the without going too deep in the settings. So now we are back in the regular mode. So if you want to have the power saving mode, just scroll down and scroll down a second time, and here you have also the opportunity to enable the power saving mode as well. With appliance on it, you have the same thing. And there's also a nice tool to make a screenshot. So maybe you can use it if you see something nice on a website, you want that picture, you can take a screenshot just with. So use the power button and the volume down button, press it for the same time, and you have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button, 1 or 2 seconds for the same time, and you have a screenshot. You'll find it after in the gallery. And you can also make a video of the screen, but it just works in games. So for that you have to enable it first. So just go here on the settings, then go on the point advanced features, and then the second point is games, and here we'll find the game launcher. It has to turn on, and with that you have the opportunity to record the screen, to make screencasts in the game, and so on and so on. So let's choose a game, maybe Subway Surfer. And if you're in Subway Surfer, if you want to record it, just swipe the navigation bar up, go then here on the game launcher on the side, and then you have here the point record screen. And now I would record it, and if I want to stop it, I just scroll it up with the navigation bar again. Now, boom. Okay, now I want to finish it, my recordings. Just swipe up again the navigation bar and go here on the symbol for stop. And now it has stopped. Same thing, you will find it on the gallery. So there's also a nice feature with the camera. So if your phone is maybe on standby, you want to take a picture immediately, there's an opportunity to launch the camera very quick. If you double tap the power button, you are immediately in the camera. So and if you use it for the first time, we will ask you if it's okay. Of course it is, so keep on, and you are in the camera mode. If you want to off this feature later, just go here to the settings, then go to the point quick launch for the camera, off it, and it doesn't work anymore, but I think it's a great feature. So there's also another nice tool with the fingerprint sensor behind the phone. You can have the notifications. So if you swipe your finger down like this, then you will have the notification without going your finger first and so on. And if you want to close it, just swipe it up to close it. So it's a nice feature, but you have to activate it because it's not automatically activated. So go for that to the settings. Then go on advanced features. And then we need to point finger sensor gesture and have to be turned on. And Samsung has also a very nice tool for the flashlight. As you know, it is already pre-installed. So let's go to the shortcuts, scroll down a second time, and we have now here the flashlight or the torch. It depends on the language version you have on your phone. If I tap on the icon, I on it and off it. You know that already. But if I tap on the word, I have another option. Next to on it, I can also change the brightness. I can have it a bit more intensive or a bit lower, and so on and so on. Go on done, and it will be activated as well also for the next time. And let me show you the last one. It's a very nice tool for your eyes, because if you are watching your phone maybe at night, you are in bed already and so on, and maybe you have problems to sleep in after, and the phone have a blue light filter for that will help the eyes a bit to relax and so on. Okay, let's go on the settings first. I want to show you something before. Let's go on display, and now we have here the point blue light filter. And as the name says, it will filter the blue light. If you turn it on, you will see the screen change into another color, and you can change the intensity, so the opacity of the filter. And it has a very nice feature because you can schedule the time. If you allow the location, if you allow the phone to know your location, you can have it with the sunset to sunrise. So it means if the sun sets, the blue light filter will turn on, and it means you need it mostly at the night, so it's a very nice feature. Or you can also customize the schedule time by your own with the starting time and the end time, so you don't have to turn it on and turn it off always by your own, so you cannot forget it anymore. It is very good for the eyes, so you should really think about it. And I know everybody is different, but it may gives you a better sleep, and why not? So, and if you want, you can also have it here at the shortcuts. You can activate it here as well. The blue light filter is an easier way to activate it here, but I think with the schedule time, it is a nice opportunity to don't forget that. And maybe you will have a better sleep. Who knows? And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can also subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And thank you so much. And maybe until next time. Ciao.